Trying to figure out where to put your money on StashAway? It's not a one-size-fits-all platform. They offer a range of portfolios designed for different goals and personal preferences. Let's break down the main options so you can find your fit. First up is general investing. This is their bread and butter, built for long-term growth and globally diversified across stocks, bonds, and other assets. You have two flavors here. The first is general investing powered by StashAway, which uses their proprietary ERAA framework to adjust allocations based on economic regimes, aiming to keep your risk level constant. You pick a precise risk level, from conservative to aggressive. The second option is general investing powered by BlackRock, which follows more traditional equity-to-bond ratios, like 60/40ths or 80/20ths, leveraging BlackRock's market insights. Next, we have thematic portfolios. These are for investors who want to tap into specific long-term trends, like healthcare innovation, the future of consumer technology, or clean energy. They're risk-managed, meaning StashAway balances the high-growth thematic assets with safer assets to keep the overall risk in check. For an income stream, there's the income investing portfolio, often powered by J.P. Morgan Asset Management. This portfolio is designed to generate a reliable income with a lower risk profile, focusing on high-quality bonds and other income-producing assets. Then, there's the ultimate control option, flexible portfolios. This allows you to fully customize your investments. You can select from a curated list of over 70 low-cost ETFs, like the S&P 500, gold, or specific sectors, and decide the exact allocation for each one. This is perfect if you have strong personal views on the market. Finally, StashAway also offers responsible investing or ESG portfolios. These are globally diversified portfolios that screen investments for strong environmental, social, and governance scores, allowing you to align your investments with your values without sacrificing diversification or risk management. So, whether you want a hands-off, risk-adjusted approach to chase a market trend, generate income, or build your own custom mix, StashAway has a portfolio designed for it. Pick the one that aligns with your goals and risk comfort level.